Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add image in Canva or how to insert image in Canva. It is very simple and you can add your image in Canva in multiple ways. So let's see how we can add image in Canva. The first method is just drag and drop. Find your image and drag it directly to your Canva canvas. And see, it is automatically inserted in my canvas. So now you can adjust it from here. So this is the first and easiest method you can use. And the second method is just go to upload section and click the upload file. I am selecting this image to insert it, and the image is uploading. And now click here to insert it in your canvas. Just clicking here and it is now in my canvas. So this is the second way you can use or you can add image to Canva. And now the third way is just click the upload section, and here you will find the three dot next to the upload file section, and click here and you will see a couple of options available. Like if you want to upload your full image folder, you can upload it just clicking here. You can upload your image from your Google Drive, just click here and it will grab the image from your Google Drive. And there are other options like you can upload from Clavio, Instagram, or Shopify, Facebook, or other options are available. And now the last method is very important. It is actually sometimes we need to upload our image with its original aspect ratio, like height and width, without considering or without any change. So how you can do it? It's very simple. First, go to the Canva homepage. I'm clicking here, and now I am in Canva homepage. And now just upload the image by drag and drop here, and just direct image upload to your Canva account, and you can see it in upload folder, and the image is this image. And if you want to see it, just click here and now click create design, this button. And now the image has been uploaded with its original aspect ratio without any types of change. And now if you want to design anything, or if you want to add text or color, you can do it by yourself. So these are the ways you can upload image in your Canva account. It is very simple. You can try it out by yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please ask me in the comment section. I will reply all of the question here. Thank you so much.